the issue is this VVT solenoid here. The connector broke because when I was tightening the alternator belt, I had the pry bar and went and snapped the connector, which is this piece right here. So we're just going to replace it. All I did was remove the alternator bracket, which is right there. It's right there, the alternator. Unplug it. There's a 10mm bolt right there. And then you'll just unbolt it and reinstall it the same way. Alright guys, so this is the old VVT solenoid. It's broken right there, if you could see. And this is the new solenoid here. Alright, catch you right back. Alright guys, so I'm putting it right back in. Exactly how I took it out, like that. Try not to do it with one hand. There it is, you can see it's flush. Right there. This is the bolt right here. Alright guys, sorry about that. I dropped the bolt. So the bolt goes there. Here's the connector. I also did have a check engine light on this too. So I got it scanned, but I figured out that it was this piece here because I knew I cracked it. So everything is tight there. The bracket goes back here like this. Sorry about the camera angle, guys. So it will go like this. Damn it, I dropped that too. Alright, here it is. Alright guys, let me tighten this up with two hands and I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, welcome back, guys. Sorry about that. I could not film and tighten the bolts one-handed. So this is a 12. This is a 12 right here. You would take those out, and then you'll have access to the VVT solenoid, which is held by a 10mm bolt. This bolt right here I put in so I could put a pry bar here in between and tighten the alternator. But otherwise now, guys, it's pretty simple. Nothing hard at all. I also disconnect the battery. And that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.